Hey y'all, welcome back. This is Keena with SweetGemLife. Hey. Today we are finally doing the unboxing of this Simply Gilded Park Avenue box. This gorgeous thing has finally arrived and we are ready to dig in. So let's do this thing. Let's get started with the menu card. First, we have the journaling card, the washi tapes, the sticker kit and seals, the vegan leather sticker book, the B6 stitch binding notebook, the black gel pen, the enamel charm, the sticky notes, and the mystery item. Just to let you know, the mystery item will be revealed in this video. So let's start with the journaling card. We have this plaid with the Jasper here. Jasper's holding a heart, and he is encased in this gorgeous foil that is all over this kit for the month. We love it. So that's the journaling card, and let's get a quick close-up so you can see that plaid, because the plaid for this month is absolutely gorgeous. Next, we have the washi tapes. Here is the washi stack that comes in every kit. I have the 5mm add-on over there. I'll show that to you next. The 5mm add-on, as its name implies, is an add-on. Here's the stack. We've got this chocolatey rose gold foil on every piece. Here's the 5mm add-on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably roll this out for you guys because I know you guys want to see it. But look at this Viv wiggle. Let me go through this stack really quickly. You have this chocolate ice cream washi with the rose gold chocolate. Oh, it's gorgeous. And let me just go ahead and roll this out for y'all because y'all have to see this washi. Let me just grab a piece of paper, white paper, so we can roll this washi out for y'all because y'all need to see it. So we'll get started with the 15mm. I call it chocolate ice cream because it reminds me of chocolate ice cream when it melts down together with vanilla. So anything this color is going to get called chocolate ice cream by me. So that's the 15. Now I'm unrolling the 10. Next, we'll do this gorgeous cityscape. It has the rose gold foil from the rest of the box, and God, I have no words to describe this washi. This is probably my favorite washi that has come from Simply Gilded thus far. Let me get this rolled out so you guys can see how gorgeous this washi is. Look at the wiggle. Next, we have this glitter washi. If you've ordered any of the kits recently, you'll see that the glitter washi has been making a big splash. This washi has a fall foliage background. It has the glitter on the washi as well, and it also has the rose gold bows on it. So this washi has it going on. It's got a lot definitely going on, but this is absolutely gorgeous. I know I've said that for everything else that's come in the kit. I'm going to keep saying it. The kit is gorgeous. If you missed out on this, you really missed out on this. As of filming this video, there are still open slots for enrollment. I will link them down below in the description box because if you are not a subscriber of Simply Gilded, you have no clue what you're missing. You're missing this, baby. The boxes are well worth twice their price. Their worth is more than twice their price. So definitely make sure you use the code below, the link below, to sign up for your Simply Gilded box. Next, we have this inverted washi. Now, this has the rose gold foil with the white inverted hearts. And I've never seen the hearts like this before. It's something different. Then we have our task washi. This is a new color with the rose gold foil on the task. And it comes perforated. So obviously you won't see me using the card to cut the washi. Next, we'll jump into the 5mm stack. This first washi is the nude color with the rose gold bows and hearts. It is not perforated. The next washi is the inverted rose gold and white bows again, but this is the 5mm version. Next we have the white background or to nude background with the rose gold scallops. And as you can see, when I pick up each of these 5mm tapes, I am checking to see if they are perforated. In the past, I've gotten 5mm washi that's been perforated, and I love it because I can use it for headers. And then this last one is the chocolate ice cream background with the rose gold heart vines. So let me go ahead and pick up this sheet and do a quick wiggle for y'all because y'all need to see all of this bling, baby. The whole page blings. That I can't get over it. That cityscape is my favorite. A close second is the plaid. Very, very close. So the next item up is the Deluxe sticker kit with the Bose seals. Let's go ahead and get this opened up. When I initially saw this, I thought that maybe I was missing a sheet of the stickers, and it turns out that I wasn't missing a sheet, that I had two, which you'll see in just a minute. But first, let's take a look at these both seals because these are gorgeous. It has this plaid print down here, and the rest have the floral print, that chocolate ice cream color. I cannot wait to use these. And I don't know if you know Simply Gilded sticker paper. The quality is so buttery and soft, and I get so many questions about this. So let me tell you which pens you need to be using to write on these stickers. With these stickers, you will need to get a micro perm pen like one of these. And I believe a few kits ago, Irene sent them one in the kit, but these also work. I found these at Michael's. So you can get these at Michael's in the 3 different points. This is point 1, point 3, and point 5. And they all work on these stickers without a smudge. So, sticker kit, let's get through this. We have some headers, 2 full boxes, some icons. We have some foiled bow headers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of those. We've got some flat page flags here, another 3 full boxes. Okay, I got 2 of the same sheet. We're gonna have to contact Simply Gilded about that. So you've already seen this sheet, which means I'm missing a sheet, and I'll have to, like I said, I'll have to contact them. So then we got 2 sets of date covers, 3 more full boxes, some more headers, some checklists, and some bows and some icons here. We've got 2 sets of date covers, date hearts, excuse me, date dots with the icons here. And we have another full box, some half boxes, and some Jasper icons here in the foil with some checklists. Next, we have this gorgeous, absolutely stunning vegan leather sticker book. This here, I've loved the sticker books that have been released this year, starting with the January box. And they never fail. They're always gorgeous. They're so soft. When she says vegan leather, she means it. This is so soft. You'll need to peel off this small piece of plastic that's protecting your heart, your rose gold hardware here. When you open it up, it does have the classic pink interior with the scalloped pocket here. You have 20 pages to fit your stickers in. It has the Simply Gilded stitch embossing there, and a hook for you to hang whatever you please. that, and that's gorgeous. Next we have the thing for the week, for the month. And of course, it's in the plaid. It's in the plaid. It's in the plaid, and this is gorgeous. You know what? You could turn this into, you could get some personal rings. Is that personal? Yeah. Or pocket size rings, and put the rings in here. Yep, you sure could. And get a pin loop. And get a pin loop going right here. Look how gorgeous that looks. Look how, oh, that is absolutely fire. Yes, baby. We've got some crafting plans. So here is this month's pin. It is in the plaid print with the rose gold foil hardware with the bow on the top. It is black ink, black gel, and you guys know this. Y'all know the deal. You're supposed to write this little dot off. I never do. I always pull it off. I won't do it on camera, but that's that. Ooh, love it. Next we have our Enamel Charm Keychain. Hey Jasper, and I'm loving the rose gold. Ooh, this is heavy too. Look at that, and it's got this little bow heart here. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Y'all need to see this in better lighting. Look at it. It's so cute. With the bow and the rose gold heart. Look at this. Let's see what the back says. It does say Simply Gilded back there. And I love that it's also here on the actual heart. So there's our Jasper Enamel Charm Keychain. You can also use this as a charm. Connect it to your sticker book. This will be a lot, and it's gonna make a lot of noise, but look at that. We were made to be. Okay. The next item we have are the foiled sticky notes. Look at this. Yes, we love this, and I think I'm gonna punch this and put this into my planner. So it's got this floral background, and it's got the rose gold foil around the edges, and it says notes here. Now Irene did make an announcement that these were gonna be imperfect, but it looks like only this top one is really off-centered. Like, well, none of them are perfect, but they're not. Apart from this top one, the others are not as noticeable. See, the line comes all the way over here, but the others look decent. So, and then you've got some back here that are damn near perfect. So we love the sticky notes. Thank you for that. Next, if you're not interested in seeing the mystery item, you need to get off of this video now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. But now we're gonna jump into this mystery item. So we have, it looks like a card wallet in the, oh my goodness, in this rose gold. Yes, baby, look at the shimmer on that. And you've got two pockets. Oh my goodness, this is so soft. You got two scalloped pockets and a top pocket. Yes, y'all, you got a hook here. You can put Jasper on here or another keychain or connect this to your keys. This is everything, darling. Look at it. Look at the shine. Ooh. Ooh. You can get your ID, your debit card, and something else in here and just stick it in your back pocket and go. The mystery item this month is fire. So, oh, we did miss something. Oh, yes, we did miss something. Let's get this open. We've got Jasper on the front with this pink background, and on the back we've got the floral print with the rose gold bow there again. And you guys know this month it's lined. You know, normally we get the dot grid,
This month it's lime, and it's got this very, very pale bow at the top. So that's this month's sticker book. So this is the August 2020 Simply Gilded box, Cold Park Avenue. I am in love with this box, so Irene, please keep them coming. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you can know when I post my next video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.